am in Castle Rock, Washington, and it's part of the America in Bloom program. It's beautiful landscape, there's flowers everywhere, and there's a lot of new businesses coming into this city the last few years. And one of them is Jason with the Pollen Floral Works. This is just a gorgeous space. It is just so creative.
Thank you so much.
So tell us a little bit how you ended up here, because you were born here, raised here, left, and back again. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's super cool to be back. The community and the city has really bloomed and came together.
So as a resident coming back, a little bit different than when you were a teenager, right?
It's a lot different. The city has really come together and made something incredibly beautiful.
I bet you're getting so many tourists too, because when we came in by the visitor center, that was a happening place. It's a gorgeous place to kind of get your bearings about what's going on here. So really, as a resident, that's cool. But as a business owner, tell us a little bit about that. Yeah,
you're right. There's a lot of tourists this time of year coming from the mountain. Definitely a destination. So we get a lot of people from around the world coming through here in the summertime.
Wow, because they're going to Mount St. Helens too, so you're
Absolutely.
a gateway to that. Yeah. So that's really cool.
Sure.
And then to have a florist, I mean, that is, I remember having a florist in my neighborhood. I would go there all the time, get flowers, but you have gifts, you really have classes. It's really an incredible business.
Yeah, we have a little bit of everything. We do a lot of workshops. We do the succulent wreath workshop, and we did kokodamas. We're getting into some floral arranging. So yeah, it's really fun to bring the community together.
And then when do you have time to volunteer? Because I know you're part of the Bloom team.
I make time to volunteer. It's not as much as I would like, but yeah, we fit it into the schedule.
Well, I'm going to go talk to the ringleader for all this. It's Nancy Chennault, and she is the person that started all this and got people like this into the city. Well, I'm with Nancy, who is the spearhead, chairman, all-around lady, volunteer, coordinator, extraordinaire, and we're right in downtown Castle Rock in front of City Hall. That's just beautiful, and congratulations, this is just a lovely town.
Thank you. I'm glad you've had a chance to see the whole town.
It's amazing. And so tell us a little bit about American in Bloom. It's a nationwide program, and you are a part of it, and you even won for your population in 2016 and 2017.
Yes, we did, for 2 years in a row. There's a lot of different criteria that you're judged on. Our judges are coming into town for 2018, actually tomorrow afternoon. So we're pretty excited about that. It's a great evaluation opportunity. They help us get better by doing their judging and evaluation of us. And it's nice to be part of the competition, because then you can win some awards, which we've had a chance to do.
It is nice bragging rights, excuse me.
Yes.
But it's so wonderful that you've gotten this whole community together. And so at any one time, there could be 40 people around town working.
Well, we have part of our Bloom team roster, if you will, that I send out an email blast when we have big projects. There's about 40 people on that list. But cleanup day happens every year in April, and this last year we had 327 volunteers on one Saturday in April. So the whole town has been known for their volunteer spirit and has always been a great community for coming together for different projects, and it's just kind of escalated.
And really, for a business person, that is something so wonderful that everybody works together. City workers,
yes.
all those departments, and residents and businesses.
Yeah, and it wouldn't work if it didn't.
So Nancy, what does it mean for a city of this size for all this to be going on?
Well, when we have so much activity and so much improvement, it just adds a certain vitality and energy to a city that people pick up on from business owners that have been here for a long time. But it has also attracted a lot of new businesses to town, young people who want to bring their families.
Like Jason.
They want to come into town and be a part of it. And we've seen a lowering of vacancy rates for available storefronts. And we've also have no places, houses sell quickly, apartments rent quickly. So for a town that's looking for economic revitalization, beautification and improving quality of place probably does it more than anything, and I think that's what we've been able to do.
That is wonderful. And then you got another kind of kudos award from Proven Winners organization.
We did. We use a lot of Proven Winner plant material, and Proven Winners has had a signature garden program. And in talking with them about a signature garden possibility for Castle Rock, they said, "Oh my goodness, you're a signature city. We don't have those, so you're going to be the first one."
Oh, congratulations. That is so wonderful.
That was kind of fun to find out just today, actually, that we have a press release that tells us we are a Proven Winner signature city.
That is wonderful. Well, you have to come here because you can get some ideas for your own garden, but just to see it, to see what happens in a community when people just come together to make it beautiful, to make it just a wonderful place to raise their family family and have wonderful memories for their own family. So if you have any other questions about American in Bloom or about Castle Rock, please go to Garden Time and we'll click you over to the websites or even the Castle Rock Facebook page. Nancy, thanks so much, and you're just wonderful.
Thanks, Judy. It was fun. It was great to see you again, too.
Nice to see you, too.